एआई रैली क्या खत्म हो गई है? एक तरफ एशियन मार्केट्स क्रैश क्यों कर रहे हैं और दूसरी तरफ इंडियन आईटी स्टॉक्स ने बाउंस बैक करा है। एआई ट्रेड में हमने रिकॉर्ड रैली देखी जिसकी वजह से एशियन मार्केट्स अच्छा कर रहे थे, साउथ कोरिया, ताइवान के मार्केट, बट सडनली दे आर क्रैशिंग। Shares in South Korea and Taiwan they witnessed heavy selling pressure on Thursday. साउथ कोरिया एंड ताइवान जो वर्ल्ड के बिगेस्ट सेमीकंडक्टर हब्स हैं, they have come under pressure. साउथ कोरिया बेंचमार्क इंडेक्स कॉस्पी जो कि 8% गिरा है और साथ ही ताइवान also slipped. Now the investors they are questioning whether the AI investment boom has run too far or is it too fast? वहीं दूसरी ओर देखें तो इंडियन आईटी स्टॉक्स ने स्ट्रॉन्ग कमबैक करा है। निफ्टी आईटी इंडेक्स सर्ज around 4.6% after falling around 6.5% over the previous 4 sessions to its lowest level in more than 5 years. उसमें से कुछ कंपनीज की बात करें तो Infosys which was up 5%, TCS, HCL Technology which gained 4%, Tech Mahindra climbed 4% and they were the best performers in the IT sector. First of all, we know about the AI infrastructure trade unravels. उसके बाद IT sector की बात करेंगे. So according to Reuters, AI heavy markets in South Korea and Taiwan came under intense pressure as per the reports came that there is a possible overcapacity in AI infrastructure. So South Korea Kospi, home to some of the world's biggest AI hardware suppliers, fell as much 8%, which is worst single day decline since June 23. Chip makers Samsung Electronics tumbled over 9% while SK Hynix plunged nearly 15%. Taiwan benchmark index also dropped, dragged lower by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, which is the world's largest contract chip maker. Now, what has the trigger? Because as per the reports, suggested that Meta Platforms plans to commercialize its excess AI computing capacity by selling access to AI infrastructure and models. Investors interpreted the move as a signal that some technology companies may have built more AI computing capacity than required. अब Indian IT companies की बात करें that why IT companies had a good time. Unlike South Korean and Taiwanese companies that manufacture AI chips and memory components, Indian IT firms generate most of their revenue by providing software development, cloud migration, digital transformation, consulting and AI implementation services. Indian IT companies are expected to benefit from helping businesses which integrate AI into their existing systems rather than manufacturing the underlying hardware. एक दूसरा रीजन भी है इंडियन आईटी कंपनीज के लिए जो पॉजिटिव है, जो कि है फेड का इंटरेस्ट रेट, बिकॉज एक फियर था, बहुत बड़ा डर था कि कहीं यूएस में इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ ना जाए, बट नाउ दैट हैज स्लोड डाउन.